Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The single best idea. We rarely do this, but we do it today. We're going to devote our single best idea to one lonely economist. Stephen Englander came out of the Yale University Combine with Evanson in agricultural economics and was definitive decades ago at Citigroup in what's called cross rates, not the euro and the yen, the dollar, cable, sterling, the dollar, but on all the other nuances that were out there. That's how you migrate to Bill Winters, the Standard Chartered Bank, with a huge international and EM, almost the stereotype is a Pacific Ocean feel, Singapore, Australia, up to Hong Kong, etc. Englander is definitive in foreign exchange and bringing it over to economics. Now he is riveted on what this Fed will do given the dual mandate, including collapsing employment. Stephen Englander on a September 50 basis point rate cut.
Ultimately, I think yes. And let me be clear, because we think that they do 50 and then they pause, because GDP numbers aren't bad. Productivity looks like it's actually pretty good.
Ruchir Sharma said that in the FT today.
And you look at the labor numbers as they're really mediocre, sluggish, softish. But as you know, I was at Lehman's in 2008. This is not a 2008 type of labor market. That's not a April 2020 labor market. It's a mediocre, sluggish, poor labor market where you probably should get closer to neutral, but nothing's falling off a cliff.
We continue with Stephen Englander on a bigger, broader theme, which is, okay, we're all using AI. It's all changing our lives. Maybe it's like late 1994, early 95 in terms of technology changing the productivity, the efficiency of America. But what's it mean for the Fed? Here, Englander on AI.
We all talk about AI all day long. And I think that that's going to be the real decisor for how the economy breaks. In practice, given the absence of knowledge, it just means that you sort of go slowly in the direction that you think the data are telling you. I mean, there's no straw here with which to make bricks. And you can critique the productivity data very easily as well. So I think that they sort of, you take a step, you see what happens. Right. Take another step, see what happens. If something bad happens, you stop or you step back a little bit. If it looks good, you keep going. Stephen
Englander, the Standard Chartered Bank. Dr. Englander looks for the revision statistic to be dramatic, negative, 750,000 bodies, maybe out to, 750,000 bodies out to 1 million. Many others, including Bloomberg's Anna Wong, looking for a quiescent statistic of, say, negative 400,000, some even more benign than that. It's a big debate, and we'll engage that debate tomorrow on Bloomberg Surveillance. It is a podcast on Apple, on Spotify, on YouTube Podcasts. It's Single Best Idea.